If you skip this video, you might miss the easiest AI income opportunity of 2026.
Hello, friends. Today, I have something amazing for you, a hidden niche that can help you earn millions of dollars. So let's get started, friends.
You've seen them, right? Those absolutely mesmerizing AI time-lapse videos where entire buildings just appear out of nowhere. They are all over social media, and they're getting millions of views. Well, today we are pulling back the curtain and giving you the exact step-by-step blueprint for how they're made. So let's dive in. I mean, just to give you an idea of the scale we're talking about here, look at this number. A single one of these AI construction videos pulled in a staggering 94 million views. That is a massive, massive audience for one short video. And yeah, those views mean real money. On YouTube Shorts, the going rate is somewhere around 10 cents for every 1,000 views. So you do the math. A video getting close to 100 million views, that could be over $10,000 in your pocket. Not bad, right? So that's the big question, isn't it? The results look like pure magic, and it's easy to think it's some super complex secret. But it's not magic. We're about to break it all down into a clear process that, honestly, anyone can follow. Okay, first things first, let's bust the biggest myth out there. Most people think you just type something like, "Make me a viral video of a skyscraper being built," and poof, out comes a finished video. The reality, it's actually a detailed, multi-stage process. It's not one-click magic, but the good news is, it is a repeatable system. So what do you actually need to start building these things? Well, it's a pretty simple toolkit, but it's super powerful. We're going to walk through each piece. And yeah, that includes the secret weapon that really makes this whole thing tick. All right, here's your shopping list. We're going to use ChatGPT, but not for what you think. We'll use an AI called Hickfield to create all the visuals. Then CapCut, which is a great free video editor, to put it all together. And the secret sauce? It's something called the master prompt. This is the real game changer that orchestrates the whole project. And that brings us to step 1, which is honestly the most important part of the whole setup. We are going to completely transform ChatGPT from just a general chatbot into a highly specialized machine built for one single purpose: to spit out the entire sequence of prompts for our video. We do this with what's called a system prompt. Now, this isn't just asking a simple question. Think of it more like installing a new operating system on your computer. You're giving the AI this huge block of instructions that reprograms it, turning that blank chat window into your own personal video idea factory. And the process is super specific. First, you copy and paste the entire master prompt into a new ChatGPT window and hit send. Now, here's the weird part. The AI won't say anything back. That's totally normal. Then you just type the word start. It'll give you a list of video concepts. You pick one, and boom. It generates every single prompt you need for the images and the videos, all perfectly laid out in order. Okay, we've got our prompts. Now we head over to Hickfield to start building the foundation of our scene. The key here is that we're not just making one image. We're creating a series of 7 still images, one after the other, in a little loop where each new image builds directly on the last one. Now, these settings are absolutely critical if you want everything to look consistent. You got to use the Nano Banana Pro model. Set your aspect ratio to either wide for a normal video or vertical for a short. Go for 2K or 4K quality. And keep your batch size at 1. Trust me, it'll save you credits. So here's the rhythm, the core workflow. You paste your first prompt, and it generates your starting image, say an empty field. You download that image, then you immediately re-upload it as a reference photo. You delete the old one, paste your second prompt, and generate the next stage. You just repeat this simple loop for all 7 images. And because you're always referencing the previous one, the background stays perfectly locked in place. Once you have your 7 beautiful still images lined up, it's time for the real magic. We're now going to generate 6 short video clips that will perfectly and smoothly bridge the gap between each of those stills. This is what brings the whole thing to life. For the video part, the settings are a little different. You want to use the Google Veo 3.1 model, set it to 4K quality and an 8-second duration. Now listen up, because this next part is maybe the most important setting of all. Make sure the enhanced feature is turned off. I'm serious. The master prompt we used is specifically designed for this, and if you turn enhance on, it'll totally break the consistency we've worked so hard for. And the video creation process is just as methodical. You take your first image and set it as the start frame. You take your second image and set that as the end frame. Then you paste in the video prompts that ChatGPT gave you and hit generate. For the next clip, your old end frame becomes your new start frame. You just keep leapfrogging like that until you've created 6 video clips that connect all 7 of your images. All right, we are in the home stretch now. We've generated all of our images and all of our video clips. Let's head into the final edit, where we stitch everything together into one beautiful, seamless time-lapse. And honestly, using a free editor like CapCut, this part couldn't be easier. Just import your 6 video clips, drag them onto the timeline in the right order, 1 through 6. And here's another pro tip. Select all the clips at once and turn their volume all the way down to 0. That way you can add your own epic music or your own voiceover without any weird AI sounds underneath. And there you have it. The whole entire process, from that first prompt in ChatGPT to your final exported video, can be done in about 40 minutes. Think about that. For content that has the potential to reach millions and millions of people, that is an unbelievably efficient workflow. So what's the big takeaway here? What's the most important lesson? Platforms like YouTube want to see you using AI as a tool, not as a substitute for your own creativity. When you follow this process and then you add your own music, your own voice, your own spin on it, you're making something new. That human touch is what really matters. It's what will get you monetized and what will set you up for success. So, the blueprint is yours. You have the exact same system that the top creators are using right now. The only question left is, what are you going to build with it?
If this video helped you even a little, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.